Welcome back to Car Features, where we dive deep into the world's most extreme and unforgettable machines. Today, we're talking about one of the wildest muscle cars ever created, the Challenger SRT. Demon isn't just more powerful than the Hellcat, it's an entirely different animal, built with one mission in mind: dominate the drag strip. At its heart lies a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, producing an already outrageous 808 horsepower on premium fuel. But when filled with 100-plus octane race fuel and equipped with the Demon crate, output climbs to a jaw-dropping 840 horsepower. That makes the Demon one of the most powerful production V8 cars ever sold. Power alone doesn't tell the whole story. Dodge engineered the Demon with a laser focus on straight-line performance. Through extensive weight reduction, including optional removal of the front passenger seat and rear seats, the car sheds precious pounds to maximize acceleration. With the right setup, Dodge claimed a quarter-mile time of just 9.65 seconds at 140 miles per hour, making it the first production car capable of running a factory-certified 9-second quarter-mile. Even more insane, the Demon can lift its front wheels off the ground during launch, earning it official wheelie certification. To achieve this level of performance, the Demon features an array of drag-specific hardware. The 8-speed automatic transmission includes a transbrake that allows drivers to preload torque for explosive launches. Adjustable suspension dampers are tuned to shift weight rearward under hard acceleration, improving traction off the line. Massive flared fenders house ultra-sticky drag radial tires, while narrow front wheels included in the Demon reduce rolling resistance. This setup isn't designed for twisty roads, but on a straight strip of asphalt, it's nearly unstoppable. Despite its extreme purpose, the Demon remains surprisingly usable. While it was never meant to carve corners, it can still be driven comfortably to car shows, cruise nights, or weekend events. Just be careful with the throttle. This car responds instantly and violently to driver input. Inside, the cabin mirrors the standard Challenger layout, but with a performance-first mindset. Buyers could strip the interior to its essentials or add comfort features back in for minimal cost. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium audio system, a sunroof, and even the rear seats could be reinstalled, proving that even a drag strip monster can offer daily driver flexibility if desired. Although production ended after the 2018 model year, the Challenger SRT Demon remains legendary. Many of its advanced engine and drivetrain technologies live on in the Hellcat Redeye. But the Demon's combination of factory drag racing credibility, outrageous power, and limited production ensures its place in automotive history. Thanks for watching Car Features. If you love extreme cars with insane engineering, stay tuned, because here at Car Features, the legends never stop.